Money how? Let's see. Let's see it's efficient or not. Where? I don't have ATM. Oh, you want IT? Ah, I remember I have a green tea in McDonald's.
Why was McDonald's from here? Mr. Please. I lost. I couldn't know my number.
Right side. Turn right.
But I knew and you had Tatil and went here before.
Yeah, that's the third date with Atilin.
I was hiding under there.
Huh?
I was hiding there.
Hey, mister.
I want to order.
Yeah, that one.
Eaten?
Yeah. Take first yours. Your order first, Manu.
There's nothing here for me. Where's the burger?
See, burgers and salad.
Where's Marcy?
Mac spicy, right? Left, 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 down, left. Look at the left side. Yes.
Today I want to try
What's that?
double mac.
Double Mac spicy. Are you sure, ah?
I want to try.
That is super spicy, Manu.
It's okay, I want to try.
Okay.
Double mac spicy. Upside. Large french fries. Drink. What drink should I take? Try the whole.
Green tea.
No, not this.
Select your
That.
cancel item. One top. Again, Mac spicy. Yeah. Upsize meal. Large French fries.